After we were married, he's going to change. Listen to the next thing I'm about to say. Marriage does not change people. Marriage amplifies who people are. Marriage is like money. Money takes on the character of the owner. If you're a bad person and you have money, you will be baddest. That's what we call money misruled. You'll be very unkind. You'll be wicked. Because money is an amplifier. If you're a kind person and you have access to money, you're going to be very kind. It's the same thing with marriage. People hardly change. It is what is on their inside that marriage amplifies. Even when we talk about you marrying a Christian, let me break it down for you.